The Seng Khasi will be celebrating its Seng Khasi on the 23rd of November 2020, marking its 121st foundation anniversary of the Seng Khasi. Addressing the people to apprise on the celebration, Bante Lang Sing Rungnong, Chairman Publicity Committee Seng Khasi Kmie said that for this year's event, the program is scheduled only for a prayer service and hoisting of Seng Khasi flag at Maukar Hall that will commence at 8 a.m. in the morning. However, at Seng Khasi Hall in Maukar, a congregation of only 50 people will be able to partake the prayer service, which included only the office bearers of the Seng Khasi. There will also be a follow-up celebration at 2 p.m. on the same day at Limpong Waking, where there will also be a hoisting of the Seng Khasi flag and speeches. However, Bantelang informed that only 300 invitees were invited to be a part of this auspicious occasion. For those who wishes to observe the celebration can do so by live streaming via Seng Khasi main Facebook as well as YouTube. Lastly, the Chairman Publicity Committee Seng Khasi notified that there has been a large portion of programs and processions that were cancelled due to unprecedented times and wishes the people good health and safety to follow suit with the protocols.
Only 50 people maximum, where only the office bearers of Seng Khasi will be partake in the prayer service, and in the Limpong Waking at Jaya, we will have only 300 invitees who will be participating at Limpong Waking, where we'll have the hoisting of the flag there as well as a speech. We have had to cancel the cultural procession which we have every year from the Madan Yoring Hep at Lemkra to the Limpong Waking Jaya this year, and we have had to cancel all the cultural programs at Limpong Waking as well. So this year's celebration will be a very solemn affair, and the message for this year's Seng Khasi is to, from the Seng Khasi side, is to stay safe, follow protocols, and take care, and God bless every one of you. Those who wish to observe the celebrations of Seng Khasi, we will be having a live stream via Facebook, Seng Khasi Kmie page, as well as YouTube this year. So for those of you who wish to observe and witness the Seng Khasi celebrations of this year, 2020, you can visit these pages